I like to show you a rectangular version of two-color gift wrapping. Prepare 2 colors of paper. The height of the main paper covers a little over half of the bottom and top. The width of the main paper overlaps by about half an inch. The secondary paper height is same as the main paper. The width is slightly wider than the box. Prepare 2. Align the right edge of the paper with the center of the box. Cover the paper tightly. Make a crease on the right edge. Cover the other side tightly as well. Close it with the right side on top for celebration in Japanese style. Secure with regular tape. Make sure the direction of the secondary paper. Fold the paper slightly along the height edge. Place it just slightly inward along the edge of the box. Mark the other corner. Then fold the other edge horizontally. It should be like this, just a tiny bit smaller. Fold the other secondary paper to the same width. Attach double-sided tape to both ends of the box. Place the secondary paper and attach it to the box. The other side as well. Face up the closed side. Make sure the box is in center. Fold the top down with the 2 pieces of paper together. Fold both sides of the main paper inward, while fold each corner all the way in. Make sure to create clean creases. Fold the secondary paper along the bottom tab of the main paper. Lift it and mark the intersection points as shown. Fold the tip along the mark. Make sure they intersect properly. Apply double-sided tape and close. Attach firmly. Make sharp corners. Continue folding the top in the same way, but easier to stand it up. Fold the corners inward completely, making sure the folds are neat and sharp. Attach it firmly and finish all 4 corners sharply. The box is done. Let's attach 4-loop bow. It's better to cut the ribbon at the end, but 2 yards should be enough for this box. And this ribbon is one-sided ribbon. Make a loop and tail at the right end, then release at the point. Place the point in the center of the box with the ribbon facing up. Wrap the left ribbon to the left, then to the back, and then back up. Bring the left side ribbon under the ribbon on the right. Take the short end on the right across over the cross point and pass under it. Then pull it out towards the top right corner. Tie firmly in the center. With the left ribbon showing the face side, make a loop towards the upper right while folding the knot with a finger. Keeping the ribbon's face side visible, make another loop on the lower left side, then another one on the right side. Hold the knot in place with the fingers to secure it. Now, you have 2 loops on the right side and 1 loop on the left side. Gather the loops in the center. Take the short end on the right. Wrap the loops in the center 1½ around. Bring it to the front and tuck it under the knot. Pull it out to the left, making a 4th loop on the left side. To tighten it, pull the underside of both lower loops. Now you have a 4 loops bow only showing the face side. Adjust the bow to make it look nice. Trim the tails with your desired length at last. You can create it using your favorite color combinations or patterned paper.